talk about this first page.
We traced them onto the patty paper, and then we moved it around to find out which ones fit the tracing. And then we did that for all of them.
Were there any that were more difficult than others?
2 was a little difficult, and
5
Yeah,
was
five
kind of
is-
tricky. You gotta be sure not to flip the patty paper too.
Right, just rotate, not to actually reflect it, because that would probably become a different image.
and the levels have to match up in 2 and 5 also, like the internal.
If you were not given patty paper, how do you think you might have to do this? Would it be more difficult without the patty paper? So we kind of liked, the patty paper in that respect?
Yeah, because like the first couple times we did them, like especially for 2, we kind of like all got different answers, and then we had to like go over it again and figure out how we did that and why the correct answer was E. Or at least that's what we got. If anybody got anything different, please let us know.
Why don't you read out your answers really fast so we can all be on the same page?
A, B, D, B, A, A.
Are there any differences there? We're good?
Objections?
All right, thank you. Go ahead, let's talk about this first page.
We traced them onto the patty paper, and then to find out which ones fit the tracing.
A different image. Would it be more difficult without the patty paper? Patty paper in that respect?
Go over it again and figure out how we did that and why the correct answer was E.